Surplus funds recovery is one of the most profitable businesses in the US to start right now, but here's something most people don't realize. The laws and competition vary state by state. Some states make it incredibly easy to find leads and file claims, while others are flooded with competition or have complicated systems that can slow you down. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 states where you should focus your surplus funds recovery business in 2026. These states have high deal volume, lower competition, and beginner-friendly systems that actually help you succeed. So, if you're serious about building a profitable surplus funds business, pay close attention because choosing the right state can make or break your success. Before we start, if you haven't already watched my complete step-by-step guide on how to start a surplus funds business in 2026, make sure you check that out first. You'll need that foundation before implementing what I'm about to share today. Let's start. At the top of the list is Ohio. Ohio is one of the best states for beginners because it is a judicial foreclosure state. This means that surplus funds show up on court records and foreclosure dockets that are publicly searchable, making it super easy to track auctions that lead to excess proceeds, find the previous owners, and work with verified surplus cases from the start. In Ohio, you can easily access confirmed surplus lists rather than spending money on expensive lead services. Additionally, fewer agents are using judicial court data in Ohio compared to massive markets like Florida or California, so the competition is actually manageable. If you are just starting out, a state like Ohio will give you the confidence and experience you need before scaling to bigger markets. At number 2, we have New Jersey. New Jersey is another judicial foreclosure state that makes your job easier. Just like Ohio, New Jersey's courts provide surplus funds data that you can pull directly without paying for lead services. The foreclosure process is transparent, the records are accessible, and usually there are greater surplus amounts. Another thing that makes New Jersey easy to work in is that it's less crowded than the big states where surplus firms are running huge marketing campaigns. You'll still find plenty of opportunities, but without the intense competition. If you already have some experience and want to step up your game, New Jersey is your best option. At number 3, we have Indiana. It's another judicial foreclosure state where verified surplus leads are easier to find directly from court records. The system is easy to understand, and you can build your own lead database without spending a fortune. Because Indiana is smaller, you won't be competing with as many established players. This gives you enough room to learn, make mistakes, and grow your business without getting crushed by competition. At number 4, we have Georgia. Georgia allows you to work both mortgage surplus and tax sale overage opportunities. Its foreclosure and tax sale systems generate surplus funds in many counties, and several successful operators report it as a productive state with a lot of opportunities. Competition is often lower than in heavily marketed states like Florida or California, because fewer surplus companies are focusing their resources on Georgia. This creates an opening for you to establish yourself and build relationships with county officials without fighting through a crowd of other recovery agents. If you already have experience and want to diversify your business model, tapping into multiple revenue streams from both mortgage surplus and tax sale overages in Georgia is for you. Last but not least, we have Texas. Although Texas doesn't have the structured judicial lists that Ohio or New Jersey offer, it has massive property markets and frequent surplus events from both tax and mortgage sales. This makes Texas a bit competitive when it comes to the local recovery agents, but it also gives you more opportunities to work with. Plus, Texas has long claim periods, which gives you time to get organized, contact property owners, and file claims without feeling rushed. It's not the easiest state to start in, but once you have some experience under your belt, Texas can become a growth engine for your business. So there you have it, the top 5 states to start surplus funds recovery business in 2026. Always remember that the best state to start your work in must have manageable competition and a beginner-friendly system. Some states that I would suggest you avoid when starting include, you guessed it, Florida and California. Although these states seem very attractive due to having huge surplus volumes, they also attract more professional firms and marketers, which means higher competition and higher costs. Large national lead sellers often focus on these mass markets, which pushes up contact costs and competitive pressure. So if you're a beginner, jumping into Florida or California right away can be hard. You'll be competing against established players with systems, teams, and budgets. It's best to save these states for when you've built experience and capital in easier markets first. These 5 states are your goldmine, but only if you know what to do next. I've already built the system, tested it across several counties, and processed millions in surplus funds. Click the link in the description, grab the complete tax overage recovery blueprint, and let me hand you the exact playbook so you can start building your surplus funds business today.